We've just finished a very interesting project here in central New South Wales. This particular farm is at the end of a very long road, and the local mains are such that the farmer can only input off the grid 12 kVA, but he actually needs 44 kVA because he's increasing the size of his production here on the farm. So stage one of this project, what we've done is we've augmented his grid. We've provided what we call grid augmentation. And this stage one of this project gives him 22 kVA. And we achieved that using these SP Pro products. Each inverter is 7.5 kilowatts each. We've got a 35 kilowatt hour lithium battery kit at about 40 kilowatts output. We've got DC isolators, main DC isolators under each SP Pro distribution board. We've also got front-end inverters which are controlling 16 kilowatts of solar on the roof. So in a couple of years the farmer here will need about 44 kVA. So basically all we need to do is replicate what we have on this wall and put it on another wall and join the two systems up via communications cable, and we'll go from 22.5 kVA to 44 kVA, which basically has augmented his grid. We've lifted his grid from 12 kVA to an eventual 44 kVA. So this is a really good example of what we would call grid augmentation, where it's too expensive to change the local cables, it's too expensive to change the local transformer, and in fact the local supply authority may not even have the capacity to supply the farmer with the type of power that he's after. But this will do the job very nicely for him at a much reduced cost. Should do very well here in central New South Wales.